Going into 2025, Planned Parenthood is increasing availability for vasectomies across Oklahoma City and Tulsa. They say a big reason for it is politically driven following Trump's victory to become president once again.
There are a lot of people who are really feeling motivated to take control over their reproductive health.
Planned Parenthood listening to the public and wanting to provide options for men to get a vasectomy.
We had a lot of people reach out to us asking if we'd be offering additional services, just given the current political climate. Vasectomists around the country in November really started reporting another spike in people asking for vasectomy services.
Oklahoma is one of 14 states who have outlawed abortion. Another reason Dr. Prevost says led to the increase in clinics.
I think that is definitely a factor.
But that doesn't mean abortions aren't still happening. Neighboring states like Kansas and Colorado have seen a spike in abortions since Oklahoma outlawed the procedure in 2022. Colorado reporting nearly a third of their abortions last year were from out-of-state patients like Oklahoma. Kansas more than doubling their yearly abortions in 2023. More than 3,000 of their 19,000 patients from Oklahoma.
We know that in places that don't have access to abortion, people of all genders, men, women, everyone is just really trying to be more vigilant about their own reproductive health because they know that they don't have as many options as people who live in other states.
Understanding the political climate, Planned Parenthood is hoping to decrease the number of people having to seek help outside of Oklahoma.
We have both a Tulsa and Oklahoma City Health Center, and those will both be hosting vasectomy clinics, sort of alternating between the two centers throughout 2025.
Dr. Prevost says vasectomies are a safer and cheaper option compared to a woman getting her tubes tied or having to travel out of state for an abortion. We have a link to their website giving dates and times of clinics on this story at KFOR.com.